It would actually be criminal of me to not recreate one of these Zara Larsson makeup looks. Her and our makeup artist Sophia are absolutely killing it. Every single look just keeps getting better and better. So I actually had a really hard time picking which one I would recreate. I put it on my Instagram story and the majority of people wanted to see this green one. So that's what we're gonna do. I want to get through my base as quickly as possible so we can get straight to the fun bits. So I'm just going in with my Huda Beauty Easy Blur foundation. It's my absolute go-to when I need my skin to look flawless in like photos and stuff. This look is way more blush heavy than bronzer heavy. I'm still gonna go in with a little bit of cream bronzer. I'm really loving this House Lab stick for my nose contour right now. Okay, we're getting into the fun stuff. She's wearing the most insane hot pink blush. So I'm gonna go in with my Patrick Tat. She's a Barbie doll blush duo. And her blush is kind of placed everywhere that you usually put your bronzer. So a bit lower on the cheeks and up on the forehead too. And also right on the bridge of the nose. We look a little bit funky right now. It's gonna come together. Now for concealer, I'm going in with two different shades. First going in with shade 10, then a bit of shade 2 right here because she's got a really nice bright under eye. I'm setting my under eyes with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. Okay, moving on to the eyes now. I'm going to take this shade here from the Stacey Marie Interstellar palette. I'm just going to blend this all over the lid. Actually, scrap that. All of my like 2020 makeup skills are coming back to me right now. We're not going to start with the matte eyeshadow. I'm actually going to take that off. Okay, instead what we're going to do is go in with a cream product. I'm going to mix together the green and white shades of this NYX SFX stick and blend that out. And this way we've got a more sticky base for all the sparkles to stick to. I think this shade right here from this Danessa Myricks palette is going to be perfect. Oh wow. Yeah, that shade is perfect. Just putting this all over the lid. It also looks like she's got a bit of yellow highlight. So I'm going to take this highlighter from Kaleidos in the shade Solar Sailor. Pack this onto the brow, popping it in the inner corners here. It doesn't look like she's got any eyeshadow on her bottom lash line. So we're going to go straight into winged liner. I never do winged liner, especially not with like a black like eyeliner pen. I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, we survived. The wings are on. Popping a little lash on. Now let's do the finishing touches for the face. I'm going to go in with the powder side of this blush duo. Just enhance this blush a tiny bit more. And I also think she has some of this yellow highlight on her face too. It looks like she has it right up here. Also right on the bridge of her nose here. And for her lip combo, I'm going to go in with Makeup Forever's Limitless Brown. And then on top, I'm going to go in with Fenty's Fuchsia Flex. This shade doesn't get old. Now all that's left to do is add the rhinestones. Just gonna make dots with my lash glue and stick them on. This was the smallest size that I could get in the green rhinestones, but I feel like they are still quite big. I'm gonna add some smaller clear ones. Guys, real makeup is back. I literally feel like lockdown me again. This kind of makeup is just so fun. It makes me feel so nostalgic of like 2020, like lockdown era. I'm obsessed. Mwah.